Good day, Black Knights! I am here inside the school where one of the most anticipated events of the year is currently happening, the SSLG campaign period. At the moment, we can see different candidates from their respective parties. We have the Liwanag Party List and Buhay Party List, passionately presenting their platforms. Their goal is to encourage every student to participate, listen, and take part in shaping the future of the school. Some of the proposals being highlighted include strengthening academic support, giving students a stronger voice, and creating a more inclusive and positive school environment. Innovative ideas such as study hubs, resource sharing, and student feedback systems are also being introduced. Meanwhile, the energy of the students can truly be felt as they actively listen, show support, and respond to each campaign. The spirit of democracy is clearly alive within the school community. I am Rebecca Ballesteros, reporting live from MIA's News Center.